Quality concrete made easy by SCG SmartCrete. Just add water. How to use SCG SmartCrete. Here's the step-by-step guide. Before opening the SCG SmartCrete bag, make sure you already have the construction former and the location of the site is nearby. Step 1. Open the 40 kg bag of SmartCrete. Step 2. Take out all the mini bags of cement, sand, and aggregates inside the 40 kg bag. Step 3. Open the mini bags and pour the contents in the construction former. Step 4. Add 4 to 5 liters of clean water. Step 5. Mix it well manually or through a mixing machine. Step 6. Wait for it to cure and then you're done. Reminders. Always remember that the water volume affects the strength of the concrete mixture. Just add 4 to 5 liters each 40 kg bag of SCG SmartCrete. Use the concrete within 1 hour after mixing thoroughly. Do not add water after cement has set. After pouring, keep the concrete in moist water for at least 3 days of curing.
SCG, passion for better.